guys hit the subscribe button down below. Today we actually have a good one for you. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing from Beautiful Brows and Lashes. I've actually been using their product for quite some time now, and I've really fallen in love with it even more. So I thought, why not carry the whole thing inside my studio? And yes, I am finally in my new studio. If you guys want to, please let me know down below what you guys want to see, as I'm going to be creating more and more content now, especially with the space. We have a whole hair station, we have a whole nail station, a lash station. So there's just going to be tons and tons of new content coming for you guys, as well as a studio tour, which I'm not too sure when that'll be, but it's going to be coming soon. But yeah, without further ado, I have my little handy dandy box cutter, and let's get to unboxing. I'm going to start by opening up the box. I want to say it's just that one little thing there. Oh, hold on. She's like glued shut. Alright guys, so I finally got it open. I didn't want to see you guys like see me struggle for like a good 20 minutes. So it's so cute so far. Like, you know, it just has like this nice little message on the inside, and then it says hashtag babes of BB, which, you know, is Beautiful Brows and Lashes. But yeah, so definitely have a lot of packaging. I love that companies are starting to have this like whole you know, like printed paper, if like with their logo and stuff on it. If you guys know how to do that, let me know. You know? Tweezer Happy could use some love for that. All right, so first things first, what are you? I honestly always forget like what I order by the time it comes, so it just is what it is at this point. Yeah, no, this is like military grade packaging. All right, you guys didn't see me struggle to open the box, but I'm definitely struggling trying to open this. No idea. Boom, there we go. All right, so we got some tint remover. There, I'm just gonna throw all the little bubbles and stuff to the side. And then I also have some eyelash and eyebrow tint. Let me go through and see which shades I got. Because like for lash tint, I actually use Xoxo, and I really like their lash tint. I use the blue black and it really comes out good. So I got natural, I got middle brown, which is like really good for like, you know, sandy blondes. And then I also got brown, you know, for us dark brunettes. And then next, I had gotten the little shield packs. All right, so we have, this is for like lash lifting for when, you know, you pull up people's lashes. So we have a 10 in the large size, 5 in the small, right, that's small, yep. And then we have, you know, 10 in the medium, which is like they're 5 pairs technically, so it's not too bad. It's a nice little array. I honestly love how everything is like in its own packaging in here, which is like amazing. And then I also had gotten like, I guess this is like a bonus with, which is just like their like gel pads, but it's just like under eye, like they're just like hydrogel pads, if that makes sense. And then what are you? Oh, the little sticker is so cute. I love when companies just do like little personal touches like this, because it really does make like the whole experience. Oh, and then this is Cream Developer. I honestly prefer Cream Developer over like Liquid Developer. Even like, I know it sounds like they're the same, but they're not. Liquid Developer I feel like is more runny, and sometimes in certain cases can either run on you or it can start getting into people's eyes, which we don't want. Then we have the Brow Balm trial box. In here is everything I need for, you know, lash lifts and tints, as well as just brow lamination as well. Oh, this paper is even better. It has like little hexagons, which is like their logo. I love this. All right, so we have the Lash Balm tools. Oh, guys, look at this. It's a cute little pink touch. This is like the little brow and lash comb. It just kind of helps, like, you know, comb things up. Like on one side, there's like a little comb. I don't know if you can like see it. Yeah, there's like a little comb, and then this side over here kind of just helps you to kind of, you know, like just smooth it down a little bit better. And then here we have 10 packets of lifting cream, which lifting cream helps start to like perm your lashes or brows into place. Then we have 10 neutralizing creams, which, you know, starts to perm, like it locks in your perm. And then the moisturizing serum, which kind of helps bring moisture back to the area since you're already going through a chemical service. And then we have the lash and brow bonding serum, which it's a really tacky kind of adhesive, just to kind of either, you know, put your brows up into shape or like prop your lashes up into shape for the pads. And then is there anything else in the box? No, just some instructions, which, you know, your girl knows what she's already doing, so I love it. All right, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this unbox with me. If you guys have any other products that you guys want to recommend for me down below, feel free, or if you have any questions, also down below. But without further ado, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.